Hey there, my name is Ben Freer, and today we'll explore the E-2 visa for Australians. First of all, why would an Australian citizen even want an E-2 visa? What does it do and who is it for? The E-2 visa enables talented Australian entrepreneurs to live in the United States while actively managing their US-based business in which they've made a substantial investment. There's no minimum investment requirement, and this visa can be renewed an unlimited number of times as long as you continue to meet the requirements, which we will touch on shortly. Additionally, the E-2 visa comes with major perks for family members. For example, spouses can obtain a Social Security number and work in the United States wherever they like, while children under the age of 21 can attend school in the country. So obviously not everyone's going to qualify for this, but who would be eligible? Now, we won't cover all the requirements in this video, but to qualify, Australian citizens must make a substantial at-risk investment in a for-profit US business that will create job opportunities. The business has to be a bona fide commercial enterprise that is either operating or right on the cusp of becoming operational. And the investor has to be in a position to direct and develop the business. To learn more about all of the requirements, you can check out the E-2 visa section in the US State Department's Foreign Affairs Manual, which is available online. Okay, so let's talk about the application process. The application process officially kicks off once you've set up your company and made a qualifying at-risk investment. However, before you get to that point, you will set up your business and commit your investment funds to the business. This pre-application business setup process typically includes selecting a business, developing a budget, creating your business entity, applying for an EIN, opening a business account for your US business, transferring your personal funds into the US business account, and finally, spending your investment funds on everything that's needed to establish the business. Okay, so after you set up your business, how do you actually apply? All consular posts handle the process slightly differently, and Australian citizens interested in the E-2 visa can gain insight into the application process by visiting the E-2 visa application page provided on the US Travel Doc site for Australia. There, you'll find a list of typical documents and see an overview of the steps involved in the application process, which currently looks something like this. First, you will gather and organize all of your supporting documents. Then you'll complete and submit the DS-160 applications for all E-2 visa applicants, which will include the investor and their family members. Then you'll create an account and pay the visa fees. After those steps are completed, you'll submit all of the required documents following the consulate's specific instructions. Then you'll wait for an invitation to schedule an interview. After you schedule the interview, you'll naturally attend the interview, which will occur in the consular district through which you submitted your application. The interview will occur in either Sydney, Perth, or Melbourne. After a successful interview, Australian citizens will be required to pay a reciprocity fee before receiving the visa. The reciprocity fee is currently a staggering $3,464 per applicant. Now, hopefully this changes in the future, so whenever you watch this video, please check out the current fee by looking at the visa reciprocity table that's provided online by the US government. Following the payment of the reciprocity fee, you'll wait for visa stamping and the return of your passport. Australians who successfully apply for the E-2 visa will generally receive a visa that's valid for 4 years, and they receive 2 years of E-2 status each time they use the visa to enter the United States. So there you have it. That's a general overview of the E-2 visa for Australian citizens. If you're interested in this visa option, I highly recommend that you reach out to one of the many amazing US immigration lawyers that you can find across the globe. I hope this information was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up or share it with someone who may benefit from it. Thanks for your time.